When I met you in the lobby, you were nervous when you saw me. I didn't know why you brushed me off to the side. All you could say was you're sorry, cause your friends said to stay away from me. She doesn't even know me, why would you think she's right? She was insecure and that's the truth, so she said I wasn't good enough for you. And when you tried to call, she started a fight, saying that I'm just like all the other guys. Maybe she was right, but I won't lie, I might have changed your life. Maybe we can learn something from this. Be careful who you're rolling with. You don't need them to survive. You won't even notice it. They will mess up your life. Be careful who you're rolling with. You don't need them to survive. You won't even notice it. They will mess up your life. You gotta pick your friends wisely. They'll smile on your face, but they're phony. They're good at pretending, that's why you believe all their lies. Did she tell you she in my line, saying that she wanna be mine? She wanted me for her, you know it's the truth. Deep inside, she was insecure and that's the truth, so she said I wasn't good enough for you. And when you tried to call, she started a fight.
Hi. Good evening. Julie. Yeah.
I'm sure you want that back.
Christopher.
So how did we get to that?
Okay, so it was posted in my YouTube group.
Yo.
YouTube group.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's why I saw it and registered for it.
Okay. So was there like a brief or something?
No, there was no brief. I actually had to read about it on the Instagram.
What's that, like British Council Instagram page?
No, it was
Big People.
Big People Music.
Okay, Big People Music.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So they're like.
Yeah, so I heard it's like an art display kind of thing, but presented in the movie. So I really didn't know what to expect. I'm keeping an open mind, but I'm also hoping to network as well.
Okay. So have you started networking?
No, what's going on here? So, yeah.
Okay.
That's Julianne.
Yes.
Would you like to go to class?
Ibrahim, yes. Ken, Mercy, Timmy, Favor, Good News. Should I continue? Yes, now he's my guy.
I feel like I
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay, you guys, so I've been given water and coke, water and soft drinks, small chops. It's amazing, you guys. We didn't pay any money to attend this at all whatsoever. So it's really, really nice.
I have been told to be fruitful and multiply, but every day my body disobeys. Every month there is a stray bullet that hunts the bounty in my womb till blood flows like a river. And God already knows what our bodies need. And as for your soul, that is an even simpler matter. Much is expected of you because you have been given. But don't be scared. Only God is worth hearing. Only His truth is worth hearing. He sends out His words like seeds. Your soul is like me. We pray that you will be fruitful.
The first time I encountered racism, I was 8. The man in front of me was big, his face contorted with hate. This is how I was taught it would be. What I did not expect to see was that he looked like me. Skinny, black like coal, black like hate crimes, do not always come in juice box teenage white girls spitting on you. They also come in brute force boxes of black men who can't pronounce the word kinsman without cutting off their tongue here. Racism is the name of a family tree. Its younger brothers, tribalism and colorism, uncles, xenophobia and Afrophobia sit around a dinner table eating up our unity. I don't want to fight with Ghanaians over whose jollof rice is better. I want them to help us answer why we wield the executioner's axe upon our own heads. I want us to talk to the sibling countries who are visa-free for white men.
So my roots are in Ogun State, but for practical reasons and convenience, I have chosen to set up in Lagos. So Lagos has a vibrant cultural scene.
My worst thing about Lagos is the police. So during NSARS, we organized a painting protest. And so we called artists to come and paint on the protest ground. And then we put the works up for sale, and the money we got, we donated to not Femco. I can't remember the collective right now, but a collective that was aiding people like with medical care and stuff that partook in NSARS.
Hey, have strength. That pressure is heavy enough to crush the wanderlust into small shards. My name is Jamala. I am a graphic designer and I'm a musician.
My name is Aina Davis. I am an artist and I work in behavioral psychology, and I'm the founder of the Olori Art Foundation. But I felt I was treated more Nigerian when I was in the UK, right? When you're around a lot of Nigerians that are not in Nigeria, and therefore your connecting ground is the fact that you are other. You're something else other than British.
I almost didn't come today, and I'm really glad that I did. As a YouTuber, I know how many times I have to shoot one scene sometimes, and I can only imagine how much you filmed, because I believe this isn't even up to half of what you captured. I wish it was really, really longer than this, but I was so inspired because just from watching this, you can see the tenacity that was put into this. You can really tell the perseverance that you had to go through. You had to struggle and keep going, and it just inspired me to, in my own little world, to just keep on moving, because there are days I wake up and I'm like, I've been on this thing since 2018, and I'm watching people from 3 months ago and 6 months ago just coming up and just overtaking, and I'm like, what is going on? So I can really relate with the struggle. And that lady who wants to come to Nigeria, I can totally relate with her, because 2 years ago, I was struggling to get out of here. I wanted to leave so bad, but where I am today, where I decided to be like a year ago, is not to leave Nigeria. I want to travel, to explore, but I want to build here. I'm really, really inspired. I'm leaving here more inspired than I came. So I'm really, really glad that I did come out today. Thank you. And I'm hoping that there's a continuation, because I would really, I would really love that, and a longer one too. Thank you.
Please, the name of the movie. Have to stay to the end to actually receive. There's going to be gifts from different brands. So please give.
Hey guys, we're leaving now. Yeah. It was such a great show. It was.
Yeah, you can turn it.
It was indeed really, really awesome. So